Today, I'll teach you how to crochet this small fish rod. It can be made into a pendant or a hair clip. Wrap the yarn around your finger. Chain stitch to start. Hold the crochet hook below the yarn and make a slip knot. After crocheting 11 chains, make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. 1/2 double crochet. 1 double crochet. 3 treble crochets US term. Okay. The third one, 1 double crochet. 1/2 double crochet. 1 single crochet. For the last stitch, first make a slip stitch, then chain 3 stitches. Make 1 double crochet. Chain 3, then slip stitch. Chain 3 more. One double crochet. 3 chain stitches, slip stitch. Make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. One half double crochet. One double crochet. 3 treble crochets. One double crochet, 1 half double crochet. For the last stitch, make a single crochet and slip stitch to the first stitch. Cut the yarn. Pick up the first and last stitches for half stitches. Insert the hook from the back. Hide the yarn tail. Crochet to pieces and glue them together, and you're done.